Chapter 6 The Judgment Seat of Vikramaditya. Thousands of years ago, there ruled in Ujjain a very great king called Vikramaditya. He was famous for his wisdom and justice. He always gave a right judgment. Everyone who came to him for judgment went away satisfied, whether he lost the case or won it. When he heard a case, he used to sit on a throne like Singhasan or lion seat, because its legs were the stone images of 12 winged lions. After the death of Vikramaditya, his kingdom was ruined. The city of Ujjain lost its glory. His palace became the heaps of ruins, and it became a playground for the village boys who brought their cows to graze in the nearby jungles. One day, when they were playing, two boys had a quarrel. They decided to make one of the other boys as the judge to settle their dispute. The boy who was made the judge sat on a mound to hear the case. Each boy said what he had to say in his favor. Then the boy who was acting as a judge gave his decision, which was so wise and just that the other boys were surprised. The cowboys played this game of making a judge to settle their disputes almost every day. They changed the judge every day, but it was all the same. Whoever sat on the mound gave a wise and just judgment. Soon this news spread through the countryside, and people from all the villages began to bring their cases to be decided by the cowboys. The judgment given by the cowboy who sat on that mound was always just. When the king heard the news, he was very much surprised. He asked the learned men of his court to explain the reason behind it. One of the wise men said, Vikramaditya, the great king, once ruled where the cowboys grazed their cows. The great throne on which he sat and gave judgment must have been buried somewhere there. And the cowboy, who judges so wisely, must have sat on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya. The king also wished to be as wise and just as Vikramaditya. So he said, let us dig deep and find out the judgment seat. I too shall sit on it and hear all cases. He said, then the spirit of Vikramaditya will descend on me also, and I shall always be a just judge. So the king's men came to the jungle with their tools and dug deep into the ground where the cowboy sat on a mound. After working hard all day, they at last found a slab of black marble held up by 12 winged lions. This was the judgment seat of Vikramaditya. The king asked his men to bring the great throne to his palace and place it in the great hall. The king was now very happy because he thought that he would sit on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya to hear cases and give judgments as wise and just as Vikramaditya did. But when he was going to sit on the throne, a voice said, do you think, O king, that you are worthy to sit on the judgment seat of Vikramaditya? Have you never done what was unjust? Is your heart as pure and as free from sins as that of an innocent cowboy? The king felt ashamed of himself. He knew that his own heart was not pure and he was not as innocent as a child. So he said, I am not worthy. The lions now spread their wings and flew up with the judgment seat of Vikramaditya into the air. The king was very